Taseer Tilai Sperm Grow course, offered by Taseer Dawakana Private Limited. This course is generally prepared for the patients who are affected by the disease, male infertility. This course is prepared from 100% pure herbs and have no side effects. In today's program, I will explain you what is Taseer Tilai Sperm Grow course, how it can cure the disease, male infertility, why male infertility happens, its symptoms, reasons of disease, indications, male infertility types, complete detail about the sperm quality and quantity. Viewers, first of all, you should know that what is infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant, having despite frequently unprotected sex for at least 1 year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% or 15% of our couple in the world are infertile. There are several hormones which affect on a person by producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle-stimulating hormone. For males, the normal range of luteinizing hormone is 1.24 till 7.8 international units per liter. If luteinizing hormone level are below the normal range, it may indicate a pituitary gland problem. The pituitary gland problem may not be making enough luteinizing hormone, which may lead to lower testosterone level. Luteinizing hormone LH is a hormone produced by gonadotropic cells in the anterior pituitary glands. In males, where luteinizing hormone had also been called as interstitial cell-stimulating hormone. It stimulates Leydig cells, production of testosterone, follicle-stimulating hormone FSH level in the gonadotropin. A glycoprotein polypeptide hormone, follicle-stimulating hormone FSH is synthesized and secreted by the gonadotropic cells of the anterior pituitary glands and regulates the development, growth, puberty, maturation, and reproductive process of the body. Normal follicle-stimulating hormone level in adult male are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international units per liter. A high follicle-stimulating hormone level in male may mean the testicles are not functioning correctly, while the low follicle-stimulating hormone level in male may indicate a problem with the pituitary gland in brain. In general, the normal testosterone range in male is about 270 to 1070 nanograms per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone levels above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. Types of disease. Viewers, semen producing testicles are very high. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicular disease, hydrocele and varicocele. Hydrocele is a type of swelling, the scrotum, that occurs when the fluid collects in the thin sheath surrounding a testicle. Hydrocele is common in newborn and usually disappear without the treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second one is varicocele. A varicocele is enlargement of the vein within the loose bag of the skin that holds the testicle. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your legs. Varicoceles are the most common cause of low sperm count production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. Viewers, now I will tell you about the sperm disease. There are three types of sperm disease, named as azoospermia, oligospermia, and necrospermia. First one is azoospermia. It is a medical condition of a man whose semen contains no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection. It includes pus cell in semen, blood in semen, presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Azoospermia is further divided into two more types, obstructive azoospermia and non-obstructive azoospermia. Obstructive azoospermia is defined as absence of spermatozoa in the ejaculate despite normal spermatogenesis. Obstructive azoospermia is a common urologic condition of account for 6.1% to 13.6% of patients presenting for fertility evaluation. Non-obstructive azoospermia is defined as no sperm in the ejaculate due to failure of the spermatogenesis and is the most severe form of male infertility. Second type is oligospermia. This is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of a man with this condition are typical. This includes the ability to get and maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculate at orgasm. Sperm count in the ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I explained that normal sperm count is between 200 to 600 million, so if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in the vein, physical disturbance, anxiety, and abnormal hormonal level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility issue disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which the low percentage of life and very much percentage of immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed by a semen analysis with virility staining performed to determine whether the semen are dead or alive and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. If you have been trying to conceive more than a year, then there is a chance that something may be interfering with your effort to have a child. Infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility, primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is an inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once, unable to conceive another pregnancy. In 50 to 60% infertility cases have male infertility problems. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common cause of infertility includes abnormal sperm count, function, impaired ability of sperm, condition related to a man's general health, lifestyle, overexposure, and certain environmental elements. There are some conditions required for pregnancy. Good health is essential for both men and women. 50 to 60% are active motile. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliters semen. Male semen has normal sperm count. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 million sperms. If he has 50 million or less than 50 million active sperms, then he is not able to produce a child. Viewers, a man produces 50,000 sperms in a minute, 72 million in a day, These sperms get mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occurred because of different sperm disease. Tahsil Talai Sperm Grow course is a special course consisting of 12 special herbal ingredients, so it can provide some extra benefits. Tahsil Talai Sperm Grow course is due to its unique formulation, contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow. Because the ingredients in Tahsil Talai Sperm Grow course is its highest quality and verified purity, and their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is a multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of a person and improves the physical health. Tahsil Dawakhana has been established in 1946 and you can recover from all diseases by using Tahsil Talai Sperm Grow course by Tahsil Dawakhana, which is made with pure herbal ingredients and free from any side effect. Doctors and scientists of the institute Tahsil Dawakhana work in the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Tahsil, qualified doctors, ready doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Tahsil Talai Sperm Grow course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Tahsil Talai Sperm Grow course is prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Tahsil Pharma Private Limited. Tahsil Talai Sperm Grow course cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cell infection, hormonal level, maintain the pH level of a person, increase the volume of semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection, and start producing sperm, where the person may be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increase HGH hormone level, follicle-stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and normalize the sperm count of an infertile man so they become fertile. Tahsil Talai Sperm Grow course has some special herbal ingredients, those qualities achieve and gain in centimeter in penis length and especially the girth to help your confidence and sexual satisfying experience, which is specially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation problem, duration, stiffness, length and with problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. For better cure, avoid sexual relationship with partner during intercourse. Avoid eating potato, rice, bean, beef and all spices and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruit, honey, dates and fish. Don't put your laptop on your lap, it also affects your penis and makes you infertile. So avoid to do these things. Quit smoking. Tobacco has also many negative effects on fertility. Not to mention your general health and the health of a fetus. If you smoke and are considering pregnancy, quit now. Avoid alcohol. Heavy alcohol use may lead to decreased fertility and any alcohol can affect the health of a development person. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couple experiencing psychological stress has some proven result with infertility treatment. If you can find a way to reduce your stress, eliminate your infertility with Tahsil Talai Sperm Grow course and spend your happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your known person has an infertility problem, then come to Tahsil Dawakhana and use Tahsil Talai Kasturi and use Tahsil Talai Sperm Grow course, which will cure all your infertility diseases and problems. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topics and its treatments. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.